The last place I'll never get to visit again is the one where I made the best decision of my life. On the day the sun was shining, the birds were singing. Everything felt perfect. I was surrounded by the people I cherished in a place that could have been heaven. The landscapes were breathtaking. I loved the way the sun shined through the trees. How the trees created shadows, making me feel small shards of sun glistening on my face. The streams flowed with the purpose and passion, winding their way through the green hills. I felt calm and at peace. I was ready to get married. There she was, as beautiful as always, by my side, giving me her biggest gleaming smile. Hand in hand, we vowed to love each other to the ends of the earth, for better, for worse, in sickness and in health. I loved her. I was ready to start my journey in life with her. But now, a grey-haired old man waits for his journey to end. He isn't scared because he knows that when the darkness comes, he will get to see the woman who he first fell in love with once again.